Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the temperature color of a picture on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe up to go into the app screen and open up the gallery app. Next, go down and select a picture that you want to change, and then tap on the edit button at the bottom. Next, tap on the tone button, and in here at the top swipe across and select temperature. Next, drag on the slider bar at the bottom to the right hand side or to the left hand side to change the temperature color. Now as we drag more to the right hand side, the color is warmer and redder, and as we move to the left hand side, the color is cooler and it is more bluey. And that's it. Now don't forget to tap on the save button to save the changes. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.